Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs text-to-speech on your mobile phone, step by step. If you want to create AI voiceovers for YouTube videos, Reels, or even storytelling content, this is one of the best tools out there. So let's get started. First, open your mobile browser, like Chrome, and go to the official ElevenLabs website. Right now, ElevenLabs works mainly through the browser, but it's fully mobile-friendly. Once you're on the site, sign up using your email or Google account. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. Now, look for the option called Text-to-Speech. Tap on it. Here you'll see a text box. This is where you type or paste your script, like your YouTube narration, story, or any voiceover content. Next step is choosing a voice. ElevenLabs gives you multiple AI voices. Male, female, different accents and tones. You can preview them before selecting. Pick the one that fits your content style. After selecting the voice, you can also adjust settings like stability and clarity. If you're a beginner, you can keep them default. They already sound very natural. Now, simply tap on the Generate button. Within a few seconds, ElevenLabs will convert your text into realistic AI speech. You can play the audio directly to check it. If everything sounds good, just download the file and use it in your video editing app like CapCut or VN Editor. And that's it. Super easy. Pro tip: try to write your script in a natural conversational style. The better your script, the more human your AI voice will sound. So yeah, that's how you can use ElevenLabs on mobile to create amazing voiceovers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.